Howdy folks, Jesse Castor with BetterCNC here for another Tooling Tuesday. So today I want to talk a little bit about something we just started doing recently to help speed up entering end mills into material. So whenever end mills are really good at cutting from the side, but a lot of times they don't like plunging into material. But if you're doing a pocket, you really don't have much choice but to plunge directly into material. Usually that adds a lot of unnecessary cycle time because you have to helix it really slowly, kind of depending on the end mill. So for example, this is one of the primary roughers we use currently. It's the Kennametal Core 5 end mill, 3/4 inch diameter. So it's 5 flutes, and this thing is an absolute beast. We run it at about 400 inches per minute in aluminum when we're really cranked up. But this end mill does not like to enter material. It wants to cut only from the side. Let me do it better for the camera. And it really doesn't do anything else very well, but it does side cutting very, very quickly. So something we've started doing is to actually drill a hole for that end mill. So instead of us taking 2 minutes just to helix into depth and machine the part out, I just recently got this from Goering. But it's a 1-inch inserted carbide tip drill bit. So let's say this has a carbide tip. This one's pretty chewed up, but there's a carbide insert on here, just the tip. You can kind of see it. And we'll use that, plunge it into aluminum. It takes half a second for us to get to the depth that we need to. But that way, instead of this helixing in at 30 inches a minute, 50 inches per minute, we can plunge at 700 inches per minute because the material's already gone. So just adding this tool to our mix, we're saving 2 minutes. 1 to 2 minutes every time we have to enter. May not quite be that long, but still, it's a significant amount of time when you're in production and when you're trying to run as fast as you possibly can. So just kind of a cool thing we started doing. It's one of my first go-arounds with an inserted tool like this, and I'm pretty happy with it so far, and I'm looking forward to experimenting and playing with it a little bit more. So anybody else out there, if you never pre-drilled for your end mills to come in, you'll save a surprising amount of time by just adding that one little touch. But hope everyone's having a good one. I'll see y'all next time.